To fix 80% battery charging on the Realme C71, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, let's go for the settings, and from here you'll have to scroll all the way down and you will be able to find the battery settings. Let's go in here, and from there simply move for the battery health. And here you can find two different functions, and in case if you're having this 80% battery charging problem, you will have to disable this one, which was basically to help your battery aging, to slow down the battery aging, and the battery level will be kept at 80% while charging. And it might sometimes turn on automatically, as you can see, when the device is being charged for too long. So if you're having this problem, you can simply disable this function, but it helps with slowing down the battery aging. So what I recommend you to do is not to actually turn it off completely, but to turn on this function to resume charging at 95%, and the charging will automatically stop when the battery is fully charged, and it will resume when your battery levels drop below 95%. It is a nice alternative if you would like to actually charge your battery to 100%, but also slow down the battery aging. This one is the perfect function right here for you.